Hey, Phil here with Online Course Masters and VideoSchoolOnline.com. Today I'm filming and recording a new course on audio production, audio recording and editing. It's a course I'm collaborating with Thomas George on. He's a professional audio engineer and he's doing a lot of the main lessons, but what I'm doing is I'm adding more case study videos where I show my setup and examples of how I'm putting into practice what he teaches in the course. So we go over all the things like microphones and equipment, and I recorded some lessons like that, but I also recorded a lesson on my own DIY soundproofing, sound enhancing setup that I have in my studio. So behind me, what you'll see is my super duper DIY soundproofing setup. These are panels, well, they look like soundproofing panels to some people, or to you, it might look like a mattress foam topper. And that's exactly what it is. I have two of them. I place them in front of me when I'm speaking so that when my voice is projecting, it doesn't go and bounce off any hard walls or ceilings. It actually is just dampened by these mattress foam toppers. So do you want to listen to what it sounds like with and without these? Cool, let's do it to show you how it improves the audio. Even if I'm just recording my own video like this on a vlog with the onboard microphone, which is the Rode Video Micro that's on top of my Fuji X-T2, just testing out a different vlog setup today. Let's hear what it sounds like with and without it. All right, so this is what it sounds like with the soundproofing with the two panels. Now I'm gonna remove them and then do the same. Now this is what it sounds like without the foam toppers. You probably can hear a little bit more echo that's coming from my voice bouncing off the ceiling and the wall behind the camera. So hopefully you can hear that difference, and really it's a cheap way to do it. They aren't as easy to hang up as the smaller soundproofing acoustic panels that some of those already have pre-built-in ways to hang them on the walls, or they're just smaller and easier to deal with if you are using some sort of command strip or something to stick them on the wall. But what I'm doing is I'm just using a couple light stands, and I got some clips and I'm holding them up that way. And for my little sort of studio in the corner of my garage, it really helps improve the audio. So hopefully that tip helps, and hopefully you're interested in this course. We're going to be giving a lot more tips and advice, especially diving into things in the back end like editing and post-production, mixing your audio that will improve the quality as well. The course will be coming out in mid-March, so stay tuned for that. All right, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.